Very good morning, children. How do you do? Take care of your health. Be healthy. Okay? Yeah, so here starts our English class. Okay? And let us see grammar. Right? So, grammar. This is chapter 4. Got it? So, 3 chapters we have seen. And this is chapter 4. So, the chapter 4 is gender. Right? What is it? Gender. So already we have seen in the basic worksheet also about gender, and last year also you have seen in the 4th standard gender, right? There are 4 types of gender. Do you remember that? Yes or no? Masculine gender, common gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, right? So let us see here. Yeah, here comes. So read these sentences. First one, the boy is exercising. My sister is brushing her hair. The teacher is late. The box is heavy. Got it? So see the highlighted words. So here comes the explanation for this highlighted words. Let us see. See. The word in bold talks about the gender of the noun. Okay. So gender of the noun. Actually here they have didn't give this. So the boy, no, this is masculine gender. Sister, this is feminine gender. Teacher, it is common gender. Okay, it is common gender. Teacher, got it? And box, it is neuter gender because no like neuter gender. Got it? Yeah, so come, let's go for the next division. Yes, here comes. So the word in bold talk about the gender of the noun. So let us see what gender. A noun that names the male of all persons or animal is known as the masculine gender. Okay, male is called as masculine gender. See, male of all person, animals, masculine gender. See, bachelor refers to the male. Brother, gender. Gander, hero, sir. This everything is male gender. Gander matlab, what is gander? It is a male goose. Okay, gander, which means male goose. Got it? Male goose. Yes. So see the next one. A noun that names the female of all the persons or animals is known as the feminine gender. Okay. Female. Feminine gender. Female of all person, animal is called as female gender. See. Landlady. Mother. Niece. Queen. Hostess. Hostess. This everything it belongs to feminine gender, female. Got it? Come for the next one. A noun that is used for both male and female is known as common gender. Okay, for the both male and female, it is common, is called common gender. See, tutor, artist, child, parent, student. See, what is tutor? Do you know what is tutor? It is a private teacher. Okay, private teacher who teaches for a particular student or a small group of student. Private teacher who teaches a particular student or a small group of teacher is called as tutor. Got it? tutor. What is it? Tutor, artist, child, parent, student, everything it is a common gender. Next here comes a noun that has no gender, belongs to the neuter gender. Non-living things especially. Okay, yeah. So let us see. Chair, bag, hat, hat matlab cap, hat, wall, jar, everything it is a neuter gender, it doesn't have gender. Got it? See, here comes the exercise part. Rewrite the words in color from masculine gender to feminine gender. Right, they have given the masculine gender and we have to write in the feminine gender. Okay, see. My uncle bought a cot. My uncle bought a cot. My aunt bought a filly. My aunt bought a filly because in red uncle is highlighted. See, cot highlighted. So for uncle, what is the feminine gender? Aunt. For cot, filly. So what is cot? It is a female horse. Cot matlab female horse. Filly matlab, sorry, extremely sorry, female is filly because here they have given in masculine to feminine. No, masculine is cot. Male horse, okay? Yeah, young male horse. Young male horse is called as cot. Masculine is called as cot, and the female horse, young female horse is called as filly. Got it? Female is called as filly. Female horse it is. Come for the next one. So this is a very easy. The one you have to do is only to change the highlighted words. So all the sentence it remains the same. Highlighted words alone you have to change. That's it. Okay? Yeah. So come for the next one. The postman went to deliver the letters. Okay? So cursor, sometimes cursor is not working. The postman went to deliver the letters. So postman, what will come? Postman, postwoman. Postman went to deliver the letters. Got it? Yeah. See next one. My nephew went to Rajpur. Nephew, what is the feminine for nephew? Niece. The pronunciation is niece. My niece went to Jaipur. My niece went to Jaipur. Clear? The highlighted words alone you have to change. Rest of it you have to write the same. Okay? See the fourth one. The duck was running in the meadow. Duck was running in the meadow. Why this cursor is not? Okay. The duck dove. So the duck means dove. Duck in masculine and feminine is dove. So dove was running in the meadow. Meadow means grassland. Okay. Meadow which means grassland. Fifth one. The waiter bought our food at the restaurant. Waitress. Okay. So the feminine is waitress bought our food at the restaurant. Got it? Sixth one. Headmaster was there for the morning assembly at school. See the highlighted word? Headmistress. Okay? Headmistress. What is it? Headmistress. The headmistress was there for the morning assembly at school. Got it? The king was a wise ruler. King was a wise ruler. So masculine is queen. The queen was a wise ruler. Sorry, ruler R should come. So R is missing. Right R. Ruler. Wise ruler. Got it? Come for the next one. Our host for the evening was very jovial. Okay, our host for the evening was very jovial. Hostess. Our hostess. What is it? Hostess. Our hostess for the evening was very jovial. Jovial matlab? Without strict, being jolly, no? Making comedies, fun, talking nicely. That type of is called as jovial. Okay. Yes, so come for the next one. My brother bought a new bicycle. My brother bought a new bicycle. So what is the feminine here? Very easy. My sister bought a new bicycle. Okay. My sister bought a new bicycle. The priest went into the prayer hall. The priestess went into the prayer hall. What is the feminine? The priestess. Feminine is the priestess went into the prayer hall. Got it? Yeah. So it is very simple and easy. The only one thing is you have to change the highlighted word, the masculine to the feminine gender. Okay, that's it. No other difficulties in this. So see here also they have given complete the table masculine and feminine. So for the masculine, gentleman is called as lady. Gentleman, lady. Okay, lady. See, father, mother, emperor, empress, emperor, empress. See the spelling of emperor, whether it is clear? E-M-P-E-R-O-R. Okay, E-M-P-E-R-O-R. Emperor, empress. Got it? Lion, lioness, lioness. Uncle, aunt, uncle, aunt. Washerman, washerwoman, washerwoman. Husband, wife. Duck, dove, duck, dove. Already we have seen this. Duke, duchess, duke, duchess, duke, duchess. Okay. Peacock, peahen. Okay, in feminine what will come? Peahen. Masculine is peacock and the feminine is peahen. Peahen. Okay, just go through it. It is very easy and simple. Okay. See here. Arrange these words under the correct column. Okay, so they have given the 4 column. It is very easy. Already you have done this. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Okay, 4 column is given and shuffled words are given here in the bracket, in the box. You have to choose and write the correct word in the gender. Okay, in the gender column. See, masculine, what will come? Nephew, they have given first one. First one, nephew. So next, it is very easy to choose also. Peacock. See, peacock is a masculine. King. Steward. Steward is a masculine. Got it? Steward. So who is a steward? A passenger who look after in aircraft or train or ship passengers. Okay? Look after the passengers in train or ship or aircraft. And one more meaning is also there for steward. What is one more meaning? A person responsible for supply the food. A person responsible for supply the food in school, institutions, canteen. Okay. So who supplies the food? Responsible to supply the food. Responsible for supply the food. The two meaning is there for steward. Okay. So who take care the passengers in aircraft, ship. One. Then another one is who is responsible to supply the food in the what? Food in the schools, institutions all. Got it? So that is called steward. So it is a masculine gender. See here feminine gender. Actress, aunt, then daughter-in-law, maid. Okay, daughter-in-law, maid. So it is a feminine gender. Got it? Next common gender. See common gender. Doctor, peon, president. Everything comes under common gender. Doctor, peon, president. Okay. Then see neuter gender, which means the non-living things I have said in short now. Neuter gender. Skirt, house, quilt, pencil. Okay. Quilt, pencil. This everything comes under neuter gender. Okay. So it is very easy to write. So hope you are very you are familiar with the common gender and neuter gender. And masculine and feminine is also very easy. It is not such a difficult thing. Okay. Yes. So just go through it and that's it. So at least you have to watch the video 2 times, then only you can understand this. Okay. So while we come for the online session, no more tower problem, network problem, net issues, technical problems, such things are more. We can't do it anything. So from here now, when I show you the screen, it is very clear. It is very clear and good. But when it reaches to you, no, you are saying it is not clear. That's what happens. So here, see in the same voice only, in a high pitch only I used to take the class, but sometimes you used to say, ma'am, your voice is cutting, it is not clear. Such things happens in the online classes. So you may not have the matter clearly, get the matter clearly what I say in the online class, right? I can understand that, okay? So that's why I'm saying you just go through the videos first. If you see the videos, 60%, 70% you will be clear with the topic. Whatever it is, you will be clear with it. And if you then attend the online session, whatever doubts you have, you can clarify. And even I'm teaching also, so it will be little more good only, beneficial. Okay. Or without seeing these videos, if you come directly for the online session, really you can't understand anything, to be frank. Got it? Just because just now I said no, due to some technical problems, technical issues, tower issues, everything due to this and that, you may not get the matter. Whatever I say, you may not getting it clearly. So please go through the PDF and go through the videos which I sent to you. Got it? Okay, ma. Bye. Take care. Be healthy. Eat healthy food. Be safe at home. Okay. So handwriting should be very very neat. That is very important for me. Sharp your pencil and write neatly. If it is not neat, matlab, please you itself rewrite it again. Rub using the eraser and rewrite it neatly. Handwriting is very very important for me. Got it? Okay, take care. Bye.